Hey guys, my name is 100 Pony Gaming, and I'm in bacon eating. Don't ask me how did I get Robux. Oh, why do you fail? Yeah. Oh man, sorry. I pulled up the menu by accident. Okay, they might get caught. I'm so sorry, and I feel bad. Like my clothing, it basically matches my outfit. I look so handsome. Some guys. Oh my god. Right there. Where's the beast? I saw the beast. I swear I saw the beast. Alright. You stay out there. And I find a computer. That's the failed computer. I will help you out. No worries. No worries at all. Hi! I'm not going to fail. Facility. If you fail, I'll get you first when I'm beast. Okay? That's a deal, bruh. That is a big deal. If I see a beast come here. Oops! Sorry! I'm sorry. I thought I failed for a second, guys. I thought I failed. I saw. Do you even see that? My gosh. I hear the beats. Oh my gosh. I see the light. Oh my gosh! He's right there. He's right there. Ah, he's trying his best. No! No! Haha! Yes, Sir Bacon is here to save you guys. Sir Bacon. Alright. Bingo! Found it! One more computer left. I found the last computer. If the beast gets me, though. Actually, the beast does not know what to do. Yeah. Look at my clothes, guys. It matches. Do you like my clothes, guys? For Bacon Ian? I mean the outfit. You like the outfit? It looks good. It looks so cool. You know what's Bacon Eden's goal? Oh my. No one's here. No one's here. No one's here. No one's here, beast. No one's here. He was so close to get me. If he came into this room, yeah, and he checked over here, this side, yeah, I'm dead. If he knows how to freeze people, basically. That would be a dead meat. I'll be just, come on! Yes. Alright, Venus sand for me. He's close. He's close. Hurry up, bacon! Alright. You go first. You go first. Should I go first? You go first. You go first. Alright? Okay, you go. I'll look. This is... Who wants the team? Not... Sorry, people. Alright. Yeah. Blue cap basically is my favorite part of Bacon Eden's outfit. We are so close to our new hammer, guys. We are so close. We're so close. Oh, hi, sir. Star J. I don't know if I just actually... I'll call you Star for now. Is that Star? Star! Shooting star! Yep, there he is. Oh, I fell. Ooh! That was not a good act. Beast? Yes! One more round and then... Who's Beast? It's Baba Gaga. It's like Lady Gaga. Alright. Beast? No computer. Wow! Epic fail! Someone failed. Alright. Let's check the spiral stairs, alright? Yes! So lucky! Lucky me! Alright. I don't hear anyone coming. Who's a beast? Oh, it's a girl. It's a guy, Mar. You know? Oh no. Lead the beast there! Oh, he got saved. Alright. Our computer failed. The beast will get lead there. To be honest, yeah. Every beast does that. They go... Come on! I wonder what the beast looks like. We're halfway. We're halfway. It's a guy with charmer. It's a charmer guy. Star almost got... Oh... What? You're hacking. I want to help you guys. Fonts. Oh, it's ham. I want to see them. You. Y'all, hey, you already. Yes! Star, help me! Oh! Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Alright, let's continue. This guy will distract. Run, bacon! Run, bacon! Oh! Oh! Almost got caught! Oh god. Oh! Oh my gosh. Yo! Alright guys, it's it for now. Bye!